Be grateful, guys. Be grateful what you have. Be grateful. Count your blessings. There are a lot of people going through a lot of stuff. Look at people below you. Don't look at people above you. One of the blessings of working at a job like this is you get to see different types of issues that communities face as a whole, especially traditional, conservative, multicultural communities here in America. And I think this is excellent for you to know. I think this is excellent for you to understand that America is truly the melting pot of so many different cultures and languages, traditions. So, of course, the West, or I guess I should say America as a whole, has maybe its own unique vibe and style, and society at large, or I should say the American way. Not to dive into too many specifics, of course, that's very vague, very broad, but if you can try to understand, you have all of these different cultures and countries and histories and people, and they're coming to America, right? And they're trying to raise children here. There's a lot of this going on. I'm trying my best to explain this in a very easy way, but if I were to be more specific, immigrant parents raising kids in America is a dilemma, right? It's a dilemma. Raising children in America can be difficult for immigrant parents because immigrant parents have expectations of their children, and sometimes it can be false. And not only do immigrant parents raising children in America have false expectations, but they also have assumptions of reality of their own, and they expect their children to be like them. And what happens is